Nicknames in Discord offer users the flexibility to change their name on a specific server while keeping their Discord username consistent across the entire platform. Let's explore the steps to easily manage your nicknames. Changing nickname on a specific server. Step 1. Navigate to the desired server. Head to the server where you want to modify your nickname. Step 2. Locate your name on user list. Find your name on the server's user list. Step 3. Edit server profile. Right-click your name and select Edit Server Profile. Step 4. Enter the new name. Input the desired nickname and return to the server to witness the change reflected. Changing nickname in channel chats. Step 1. Enter /nick command. In any channel chat, change your nickname by entering the command /nick followed by the desired name. General observations. Navigating to other servers or your Discord account settings will confirm that your main username remains unchanged. Managing nicknames on Discord provides a personalized touch to your server interactions. By following these steps, you can easily tailor your name on specific servers without altering your main Discord username. If you found this guide helpful, share it with your fellow Discord users. Happy customizing!